The Anglo-Saxon period is a significant chapter in British history, spanning from the 5th century to the Norman conquest in 1066. During this era, Germanic tribes known as the Angles, Saxons, and Jutes settled in Britain and transformed its social, political, and religious structures, laying the foundation of a new civilization. The Roman Empire withdrew from Britain at the end of the 4th century, leaving the region vulnerable. Around the 5th century, the Angles, Saxons, and Jutes began invading Britain. These tribes originated from areas that are now part of Germany, Denmark, and the Netherlands. They either pushed the native Celtic population westward or assimilated them. During the Anglo-Saxon period, Britain was divided into several small kingdoms, collectively known as the Heptarchy, meaning 7 kingdoms. The prominent kingdoms among them were Northumbria, Mercia, Essex, Kent, Wessex, Sussex, and East Anglia. In the 7th century, Christianity was reintroduced to Britain when Pope Gregory I sent St. Augustine to England in 597 AD. He succeeded in converting King Ethelbert of Kent to Christianity. Gradually, the religion spread throughout England. The foundations of the English language were laid during the Anglo-Saxon period, in a form known as Old English. The famous epic poem Beowulf was composed during this time, which is considered a major masterpiece of early English literature. Their society was agrarian, and their legal and judicial systems had a lasting influence on future British law. In the 8th and 9th centuries, Scandinavian Vikings frequently attacked England. They even conquered some areas, particularly establishing the Danelaw in eastern England. However, Alfred the Great, King of Wessex, played a crucial role in resisting these invasions. The Anglo-Saxon era came to an end in 1066, when William the Conqueror of Normandy defeated the last Anglo-Saxon king, Harold Godwinson, at the Battle of Hastings. This marked the beginning of the Norman era in England. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.